Welcome to Kerala Tourism's Service Provider Classification Portal. It's a one-stop platform for approval, classification and certification of units in the tourism sector. Before applying for responsible tourism classification through this portal, please check out the following link and have a clear understanding about the information and documents required for the process. This will help you save time and effort. Log on to www.keralatourism.org/service-provider-classification. Click Create an account if you are a first-time user. Fill in the necessary details and submit. If you are a registered user, log in using your username and password. In case if you have lost your login credentials, just check in to recover login details and follow instructions. Upon signing in successfully, you will land on the dashboard of the software. On the sidebar, click on Apply for a new unit button. You will be asked to choose the category of your unit. For responsible tourism classification, choose hotel or resort. In the application proforma, you will be asked to enter the following details of your unit. Those with asterisk symbol are mandatory. Moving on, you have to choose the type, hotel or resort of your unit. Be careful. Once done, you will not be able to change this. If your property is classified by the Government of India, upload the respective certificate. Please choose RT classification carefully. Once submitted, upgradation to a higher rank is not possible, even if you end up scoring higher marks while considering the application. Now, you have to opt for RT Green certification. Please note that properties which score above 80%, that is 228 marks, in Environment Responsibility criteria are eligible for RT Green certification. However, certificate will be issued based on your choice here. Moving on, you are now required to submit details of a contact person. Next, enter the details of the DD carefully. Upload a copy of DD less than 5 MB in size in JPG or PDF format. Now, you will have to answer queries under the Sustainability Management criteria. Choose yes or no. Against each item, you can find the marks also. On some occasions, you will have to enter an appropriate numeric value in the text box as the answer. Next section is about socio-cultural responsibility criteria. You have to choose yes or no against each question. In this section, you need to upload documents such as details of management staff and details of transgender employees. Also, furnish details about your attempts to promote local souvenirs. Here also, you will have to enter an appropriate numeric value in the text box as the answer. Moving on, you have to submit details under the section Economic Responsibility criteria. Answer each query by choosing yes or no and upload documents wherever necessary. There are questions for which you will have to enter an appropriate numeric value in the text box as the answer. Next is Environment Responsibility criteria. Here also, choose yes or no wherever applicable. Enter an appropriate numeric value in the text box as and when required. Upload documents wherever required. Upon completion, you may save the form as draft. Once the document is saved, you can find a new section on top of the page showing your score based on the information and documents that you have provided in the application. Basis your score, update your choice in the RT classification column if required. Double check that all the information that you have furnished and documents uploaded are correct. Once done, submit the application to the department for processing. Upon successful submission, please download the filled-in application and send to Director, Department of Tourism, along with the original DD taken for the purpose. You can find the saved or submitted applications under My Applications in the sidebar. Wish to apply for another unit? Select Apply for a new unit in the sidebar. Upon processing of your application, you may download the provisional certificates from here. Logout. Please choose RT classification carefully. Once submitted, upgradation to a higher rank is not possible, even if you end up scoring higher marks while considering the application. Please note that properties which score above 80%, that is 228 marks, in Environment Responsibility criteria are eligible for RT Green certification. However, certificate will be issued based on your choice here.